So you should have learned what bisect is. So that means to just divide something into two equal parts. So what we're going to do is we're going to bisect this line with a compass, which means we're going to create a line going straight down the middle of it to divide it directly in half. So for this line, let's call it AB. And the first thing you're going to do is we're going to be using our compass, so it's either going to be something like this or like this. And the first thing you have to do is pick a distance that's greater than half of this line. So if I think that about half is right here, I'm going to make a mark somewhere along AB, and I'm starting at A, so this is going to be like my starting point. And I'm going to go down over half the length of the line. The reason I make that mark is because with our compass, it doesn't lock in at a certain distance, so it's easier to line up with a mark that you have and replicate it. So all you're going to do is line up with that mark that you create, and remember, use your tail to hold on to your line, to your compass. And I'm going to put my thumb down on point A and line up with this distance that I have. And I'm just going to draw an arc just like this. Now I'm going to line up with this distance and transfer it over to B. So point B is right here. I'm just going to line up with point B. Let me pick up that distance again. All right. So line up with B and then create an arc from point B. Now after you have that, you need to get a straight edge. So I'm just going to get either the edge of one of my triangles or of a ruler. So I'm going to get my triangle, and you are going to line up these intersection points. So where those arcs cross each other, you're going to line up to those. And then draw a line to connect those points. Then you'll see we have a line that goes directly in the middle of AB.